Welcome to FXStreet. If you like what we're doing here, if you like our videos, please join us on YouTube by going to our channel and hitting the subscribe button. Specifically, if you like what I'm doing, you can follow me on Twitter at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look at AVAX here. Now, AVAX has been a big mover. Certainly one of the greatest performers of 2021. That was until it fell out below that rising wedge on the 20th of September. Spent 4 days trying to move back up, but ultimately failing, and it's just kind of continued to drift south here, followed by some consolidation between October 12th and now into the 21st. We did see it have a pretty nice spike higher here earlier in the day, in the morning at least, where you saw from the open we moved up as much as close to 8%, where we would see it above the cloud and above the Kijun-sen. And those two conditions, close above the cloud and the Kijun-sen, would be one of the last things that we would need to see AVAX really transition into a full-on bull market. For an ideal Ichimoku bullish breakout to occur, we need to see future span A above span B, which it is. We need to see the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen. It's not, but the Kijun-sen can be flat and the Tenkan-sen can be pointing up. So that is true, and that's valid. And the last two conditions that we'd actually be waiting for is the current close to be above the cloud. It's inside the cloud right now. And then the lagging span needs to be above the candlesticks. Now for today, the body of the candlesticks, today that would mean that AVAX would need to close at $73, but by tomorrow that threshold drops and it would have to close around $68.50. And then it would also be ideally maybe just a little bit higher at $69.50. That would put the lagging span in open space. From that point, AVAX would have a very nice setup, a very good position to expand even higher. Now looking at the oscillators below, we have the RSI still in bull market conditions, and it has found clear support against the 40 level, crossed above 50, needs to hold there. If we see some type of weakness with the price action and it drops below and has a close below the $51 level, and if that also pulls the RSI to a move below the 40 in the RSI, that'll be a fairly bearish event. But it's not something that it looks like is in the cards right away here, even though the current daily candlestick is showing some weakness. The composite index has a pretty high slope on it and continuing to move higher here. It's not at its historical highs yet, so it still has a little room to move. And then additionally, what's favoring some further upside potential here is that the optics bands are very neutral and flat. We're not an extreme low, we're not an extreme high. So if we do get some type of breakout here above the cloud, that is likely to be a valid breakout and one that could be sustained. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.